we're inviting, syempre, food businesses, even non-food businesses. Of course, we also work with them. Kasi, again, lahat naman pwedeng tumulong dito. Kasi mga corporations, meron din silang mga CSR activities. If you want to volunteers, even mga kanya-kanyang organizations. Actually, meron nag-bachelor's party with us or nag-birthday. So, what we do is yung mga rescued food items, we cook them. We prepare them, we pack them, and then we give it to communities in need. So just to make your celebration more meaningful.
Oo, baka may nag-birthday, may nag-bachelor's party. Why not? Para naman ma-feel rin naman niya yung kasiyahan at makakain sila ng masarap rin na pagkain. Ano? Napakaganda po actually ng inyong advocacy and good luck po sa inyo. Mabuhay po kayo. Ilang communities na po ang inyong tinutulungan? Kasama ba dito ang Visayas at Mindanao?
Yes, actually focus kami ngayon sa Greater Manila area, but we have occasional rescue sa Visayas and Mindanao. Of course, no. So yun yung ating food rescue program. Again, araw-araw po may natatapon na pagkain at araw-araw po may nagugutom na Pilipino. So sa SOS, araw-araw din po kami nagtatrabaho. So Monday to Sunday. Kaya we're really inviting everybody to volunteer, to help out, to donate, to support